Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start with the essentials. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread rolls. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to the heart of our banana bread. In a large bowl, mash your 3 ripe bananas until they are mostly smooth, with a few small lumps for texture. Then, whisk in the 1/4 cup of melted butter, the large egg, and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, combine the 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. It's time to bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet banana mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Spread the batter evenly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, aiming for a rectangle about 10 by 15 inches. For an extra touch, sprinkle a mixture of 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon over the batter before rolling. The aroma of freshly baked banana bread is almost here. Bake your roll at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let it cool for about 5 minutes before gently rolling it up. Once cooled, drizzle with a simple cream cheese glaze made from 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Slice into 12 delicious rolls and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.